When sewing lightweight fabric, I'm switching to a thin fabric throat plate that has a smaller needle hole. The smaller opening prevents the fabric from being pushed down or eaten by the machine. First, I'm going to use my long screwdriver to remove the screws from the original standard needle plate. You don't have to remove the presser foot, just carefully slide it out from underneath. It's not easy to see, but the needle hole on this standard plate is slightly larger. I've marked the back of the thin plate so it's easy to identify. To remove this standard plate, flip it over and you'll see small grooves at each end. Also under the plate is a tension clip. Lift the left corner so that the pin is out of the groove, then carefully push down and up on the clip to separate. Next, we need to get the pins into the grooves on this thin plate. We also have to make sure that the metal piece on the left is underneath this clip. This next step is just a bit tricky. Hold the left side steady and place the clip on top of the metal piece. Push down on the clip while placing the pin into the groove. Then lift the left corner and place that pin into the groove. The plates will be connected just on a slight angle. Carefully slide the plate back in and flatten it down while tightening the screws. Be sure to check out my tutorial with 5 different methods to sew a really narrow rolled hem up next.